Hello students. In previous class we have completed level 1 up to 50 problems in definite integration. Now I am going to discuss at level 2. First problem. See the question what they are given, integration 1 to 4 x dx divided by under root 2 plus 4x. This is the question. Tell me how to do this. Any idea? So denominator root is there. So we can take like this. Let 2 plus 4x is equal to t square. Apply the differentiation. 4 dx is equal to 2t dt. Only dx is equal to t by 2 into dt. Now we want to change the limits also. If x is equal to 1, then what is t value? T means under root 2 plus 4 into 1, that is root 6. If x is equal to 4, then what is the t value? T is equal to under root 2 plus 16, that is root 18. These are the limits. Now, these values substitute in the question. What happened? See, integration. What are the limits? Root 6 to root 18. 1 by root t square. Root t square into here x dx. What is x value? What is x value? Here observe that t square minus 2 divided by 4. This is x value right here. T square minus 2 divided by 4 into dx value t by 2 dt. Here see the calculation. Square root cancel and t also is going to cancel finally. Now denominator part 2 4s are 8, take outside. Now apply the integration. Integration t square means t cube by 3 minus 2t limit root 6 to root 18. So here substitute the limits. First I am going to substitute upper limit. Root 18 whole cube means that is 18 root 18 divided by 3 minus 2 root 18. This is only upper limit minus lower limit 6 root 6 divided by 3 minus 2 root 6. Observe the calculation. 3 2s are 6. So this is completely is going to 0. Now here 3 6 are 18. 6 minus 2 4. So 4 root 18. 18 means we can write 9 into 2. 4 2s are. This is 3 root 2 divided by 2. So there is no option. Go to some more calculation. 3 by root 2. Yes, this answer is there in fourth option. So fourth option is correct. Dx is equal to 2t dt. Now substitute the limits. If x is equal to 0, then what is t? X is equal to t square means t is equal to root x. Root 0, 0. If x is equal to 1, then t value is also, I think, root 1, 1, 1. Now substitute those values in the question. Integration 0 to 1. Numerator x is there. X means that is t square divided by 1 plus x is equal to t square means Root x is equal to t only now. So here we can write t directly. And dx means 2t dt. Students, here observe that 2 take outside. Numerator t cube. Denominator 1 plus t dt. This is improper fraction. We want to do the long division or follow the general method. So that is 2 integration. Numerator add 1, subtract 1. Then observe that what happened. T cube plus 1, that is in the form of a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube formula? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square divided by denominator 1 plus t. Then observe the second term, minus 1 by 1 plus t dt. Okay. Now here observe the calculation. T plus 1, 1 plus t is going to cancel. Then remaining, apply the integration. Integration t square, t cube by 3 minus 2t square by 2 plus t minus logarithm of 1 plus t. Now, what is the limit? 0 to 1. Here in front of integration 2 is set. Now write 2. Substitute the limits. 2 into, this is 1 by 3. Here 2 to cancel. You will get minus 1 plus 1. Next, minus log 2. Here students observe that. Any mistake we have done? Yes. A cube plus b cube formula. A plus b into a square minus ab, not minus 2ab. There is a mistake. Okay. Here we get 1 by 2. Now, take the LCM. First 3 terms. 6 is the LCM. Here you will get 2 minus 3 plus 6 minus 2 log 2. 2 3s are cancelled. So here overall we get 5 by 3 by observing the options. So these two send to power 2 square will come. 2 square value is 4. So 5 by 3 minus log 4 is the answer. So first option is correct. In third question, integration 0 to infinite dx by x square plus a square into x square plus b square. This is proper fraction. So we want to split into partial fractions. So or go to the general method. How to do the general method? For suppose 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus b square. Numerator, there is no x terms. That's why take minus. Take the LCM. What happens? See, x square plus a square into x square plus b square. Now here will come x square plus b square minus x square plus a square. So here see that minus x square plus x square is cancelled. Remaining extra term is there. What is that? B square minus a square. Here is not there. So what we have to do? Divide and multiply. Divide and multiply. You'll get. So b square, 1 by b square minus a square, integration 0 to infinite b square minus a square divided by x square plus a square into x square plus b square. Now this is, we can split now. This is same 1 by b square minus a square, integration 0 to infinite into 1 by x square plus a square minus 1 by x square plus b square. Students, are you understood? If you are calculated means numerator, what will come? B square minus a square. Denominator part is x square plus a square into x square plus b square. Now follow here reverse method. Right. Now observe here, that is equal to 1 by b square minus a square. Apply the integration. What is the formula? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. And second term, 1 by b tan inverse of x by b. What is the limit? 0 to infinite. If first substitute upper limit, tan inverse of infinite, what? Pi by 2 minus 1 by b into pi by 2. This is upper limit. Then what about lower limit? You will get 0 minus 0. Students, are you understood? Now here, in first term pi by 2 is there. Take common. Pi by 2 into b square minus a square means we can